Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Salesforce with Gmail using the high-end 2026 technical extension. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to sync their studio-level bookkeeping and market analysis without ever leaving their inbox. Let's get into it. First, install the Salesforce Chrome extension. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize the connection within your browser. The official extension acts as the primary bridge for your high-end market analysis. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for Salesforce, specifically the Sales Cloud Everywhere extension. Click Add to Chrome and then confirm the installation in the technical pop-up. By technicality installing the browser extension first, you ensure that Salesforce can read your browser data to provide real-time professional context as you navigate your inbox. Next, add the Salesforce connector in Gmail. Once your browser is technicality ready, you need to activate the specific connector within the Gmail Studio interface. Head over to your Gmail inbox. On the right-hand vertical sidebar, click the plus icon, Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace that appears, search for Salesforce Connector for Gmail and click Install. The add-on is a professional standard. It technicality embeds the Salesforce UI directly into your Gmail, ensuring your bookkeeping remains seamless without the amateur-quality hassle of switching tabs. Next, authenticate and log in. Now that the technical infrastructure is in place, you must verify your credentials to link your accounts. Look for the Salesforce icon now appearing in your Gmail sidebar and click on it. Click the Login button, choose your high-end environment, usually production, and enter your professional credentials. Authentication is a mechanical necessity for 2026 security. It technicality authorizes the high-end sync between your professional email and your studio records, keeping your market analysis data safe and synchronized. And that's pretty much it. To integrate Salesforce with Gmail in 2026, install the Salesforce extension from the Chrome Web Store, then head to Gmail and click the plus icon to search for and install the Salesforce connector. Technicality, click the icon once it appears, log in with your professional credentials, and grant the required permissions to verify your high-end setup. This professional workflow ensures your studio bookkeeping is technicality perfect. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.